MLA Kamaulai constituency ba Brighstarwell Marbanyang bantag singi ka arpanyo trik banai nailar arjar saw Hapoh ki ying dor bar thawan haba yok ban yakren shaphang jingbom yok kam yok jam uloong ba haba kren shaphang jing yok kam umdai bangin shukren tangna ka bantag kam Sorkar uloong ru kumuno hikai ubaju hikai usai ong yagi khna bakimdai ban khmi thana ki kam Sorkar henre ban shim yakino kino ki kam kibawan hakalanti batban sedang no dagita ki kam wala da kilong ki kam kibarit ru.
I would like to thank the speaker for giving me the opportunity to take part in the discussion with regard to the special motion brought by the Honorable MLA Lakman Rembui. On the motion, this House do now discuss the gravity of unemployment scenario in the state and a way to tackle it. Yes, I would like to thank the Honorable Member for bringing this important issue that need to be discussed in this august House. In fact, if we step out of this House and we start interacting with the youth within the state, we will be able to understand the pain that they are going through. Yes, I do agree when you talk about unemployment, it's not about government job all the time. And we need to get out of that misconception that when we talk about job, it's always about government job. In fact, as a teacher, when I was teaching in St. Nancy's College, I always inform my students that in today's world, when you talk about education, it's not about getting government job. In fact, when you talk about education, it will teach us how to go about things in life and to take whatever job opportunities comes our way. But nonetheless, we should not discredit whatever government job that is available for our youth in the state. And in fact, I've placed one question before the House with regards to the District Institute of Education and Training, with regards to the vacancies that is there in this diet. We have around 7 diet in Meghalaya. And interestingly, only by going through these diets that is available in some of the district within our state, there are a number of vacancies. For example, in the teaching posts, there are 70 vacancies. In fact, I learned, because some of my friends are teaching in different diets in the state, that these vacancies have been there for more than, some of them have been there for more than 10 years. And when you look at the non-teaching staff also, the number is 103. And we are talking only in one section of the education department, that is the diet. And so by looking at this small sample, we can understand, as my friends have been mentioning, that it seems that there is a systematic shrinking of jobs, and more so when you talk about government jobs within the state of Meghalaya. And at the same time, let us not forget that within our state, we also have many central institutions within our state. In fact, it should have been a blessing for us, these central institutions. But when you look at the present scenario within our state, even in these central institutions, you'll find out that not just in admission for our students, but even when it comes to employment, you'll find that many of our youths have been denied employment in these central institutions within the state. And therefore, I feel that the state should take a proactive role to intervene even in these central institutions that is there within our states. And yes, when you talk about unemployment, I know it is the duty of the state to create job opportunities for our unemployed youths, not just in government jobs, but also to create avenues in different sectors within the state. And even, you know, the population of our state, majority, nearly, if I'm not mistaken, 70% of our population belongs to the youth, that is below 35 years of age. So in terms of human resource, we are blessed. And in fact, as a state, it's not just creating job opportunities within our state, but also we should prepare our youths to move out, not just outside of the state. In fact, to prepare our youths to venture out even outside of the country. Because in the years and days to come, many job opportunities will be available even in many developing countries. So therefore, I rise in support of this social motion that this House do now discuss the gravity of unemployment scenario in the state and the way to tackle it. And I feel that it's the duty and responsibility of the state to find the way out to help our youth. So with these few words, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you.